Let me show you how you can let your customers book the salon appointment within the WhatsApp. So right here you can see that my customer has interacted with my business and here I'm sending them this WhatsApp message. And by using this chatbot, they can book the appointment according to the date or the timing they want. And from this list, they can select the service they want. And here you can see that they can select the date according to them. And they can even select the time slot according to them. And here I'm asking their name. And afterwards, I'm providing them this confirmation message in a personalized way. And now this data is getting saved over my Google Sheet. And here you can see that salon appointment data is automatically saved to the Google Sheet. And here you can check out that this is the same service selected by my user from this list. And here you can see that this is the same date for which my user has booked the appointment, and here the same timing. And here you can check out the customer's name is also the same which my user has entered. So by using this WhatsApp chatbot, you can automate your customer's appointment for your salon and you can directly save the data over the Google Sheet without doing anything manually. So now this chatbot is going to save up a lot of your time from manual work. Because by using this WhatsApp chatbot, your customers can book the appointment and the data will be automatically saved to your Google Sheet, saving a lot of your manual efforts. So now let me show you how you can create this amazing chatbot by using Pabbly Chatflow. But before that, let me show you how this chatbot is working here. So I'm going to create my previous chat and here I'm going to restart this chat by entering this message that is hello. So here I'm going to just enter it, and as I have provided this message, my WhatsApp chatbot will be initiated. And here you can see that I'm getting the image regarding my salon, and here I'm getting this welcome message with this button that is book appointment. And as I have selected this button, I'm getting this list for selecting the service which I want to book. So here I'm going to select this first service that is haircut and styling, and as I've selected it, I'm getting this message which is asking me to select my preferred date and timing. So now let's select the date. So right here I'm getting some of the dates for which I can book the appointment. So here I'm going to select this date that is 31st August 2026, and here as I've selected the date, I'm getting this message which is asking me to select the time slot for this particular date which I have just selected. So here I'm going to select this time slot that is for the 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. and as I have selected the slot, I'm getting this message which is asking me to enter my name. So here I'm going to enter my name as test user, and as I have provided my full name, I'm getting this confirmation message which says thank you test user, your appointment request has been received. And right here you can check out that I'm getting the same name which I have just provided over here. So by using this chatbot, you can even send personalized message. And now let's move on towards my Google Sheet where you can see that I'm successfully receiving the data. That is the same service, the same customer name, the same date for which I have booked the appointment, and the same timing too. So you can see that this amazing chatbot is working properly, by using which my customers can book the appointment and the data can be saved to the Google Sheet without requiring any type of manual efforts. So now let's see the process of creating it, and for that you have to move towards the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow with me. So right here I'm on this page where I have already created this amazing chatbot. And for creating this chatbot, you don't require any type of coding or technical skills. And for accessing the page of Pabbly Chatflow, open your browser and type the URL that is pabbly.com/chatflow, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the official website of Pabbly Chatflow where we are getting two options, that is for the sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging account over the Pabbly Chatflow first time, then you have to sign up for free, and Pabbly Chatflow is currently offering the free trial. Means you can create and try this automation for freely inside Pabbly Chatflow. But if you are an existing user, then you just have to sign in. And if you like this automation tool and want to buy any of our Pabbly products, then I'm going to provide you an amazing discount coupon code that is STUYT, which is going to provide you 6% off on your purchase. You might get some other coupon codes as well, providing you just 5% off. Now let me take you towards my flow page where I have already created this chatbot. So right here I'm on the flow page where I have already added my WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow account. And if you want to learn this entire process, then you can check the video given on the description, or either you can check the video given on the dashboard page of Pabbly Chatflow. And here we are getting this option for trigger. So trigger is the event which initiates your WhatsApp chatbot. And here you can select the trigger event according to you. But here I'm going to keep it as keyword rejects match. And here, as we have recently interacted with our WhatsApp chatbot, we have initiated it by entering this message, that is hello. So this is the keyword which has just initiated my WhatsApp chatbot. So right here you can see that I have entered this keyword over here. And now we are going to create this chatbot by using these messages and actions block, which you can think as main building block for creating this chatbot flow. So you can drag any of these blocks and create the flow for your WhatsApp chatbot. And here, as my user will provide me the message, I'm going to provide them this welcome message. And for that, firstly, I'm going to attach an image regarding my business. So for that, I have used this media button node, which you can get from this message block. So here you can see that I'm getting this media button, and here I have uploaded my image regarding my business. And after selecting this add content, I have got this text button node, which you can get from this message block too, and entered this welcome message with this button, that is book appointment. Now if my user will select this button, that is book appointment, I have provided them this list asking for the service they want. And for creating this list, you have to use this list node given over the message block. And here I have provided this body to my list, and here I have added 3 items to my list, that is haircut and styling, hair spa and facial and skincare. And afterwards, if my user will select any of these list items, I have provided these contact custom field. So you can think of contact custom field as a particular column which consists of the particular data. So right here, this contact custom field service type will consist of the service selected by my user. And for providing the contact custom field, you just have to move over the actions where you will see this node, that is set custom field, and you can create your own contact custom field. So from this drop down, you can select the contact custom field which you have created. And for creating your own contact custom field, you just have to move over the settings where you will see this option of contact custom fields, and you can create your own contact custom field. And now, by adding the $sign before this contact custom field, you can send personalized messages to your customers, because this field will consist of the service type selected by my user. And afterwards, I have used this date and time node given over the message block, which you can see here. And here I have provided this message content asking for the preferred date and time. And here in the schedule settings section, I have selected some days for which my user can book the appointment. And here in this time slots, I have added some time slots for which my user can book the appointment. And here I have selected the contact custom field for the date attribute and the time attribute. And here I have entered this question asking for the name of my user by using this ask question node given over the actions block. And afterwards, I'm saving all these details over my Google Sheet like this. And for that, I have used this API request node given over the actions block, which you can see here. And here I have selected my request method as post. And for saving the data for these parameters, I have used the Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an automation tool provided by Pabbly, by using which I'm going to integrate my this particular flow or Pabbly Chatflow with the Google Sheet, so that I can save the data which I'm receiving from Pabbly Chatflow to my Google Sheet. So here you can see that in my all Pabbly apps page, we are getting this application, that is Pabbly Connect, by using which you can integrate your business applications. And here on my Pabbly Connect, I have already integrated my Pabbly Chatflow with the Google Sheet. So here you can see that we are getting this webhook URL, which I have entered in this API request node, connecting this flow with my Pabbly Connect, so that the data can be fetched for these parameters. And according to these parameters, I have selected the contact custom field, as contact custom field is the thing containing the details provided by my user, such as by using this contact custom field, I will get to know which service my user has selected. And this data is sent to my Pabbly Connect, where I'm adding this detail which I have just received from Pabbly Chatflow to the Google Sheet like this. And this is the way I have integrated my Pabbly Chatflow with the Google Sheet, by using this webhook URL and this API request node. And I'm sending these parameters to my Pabbly Connect. Here you can see in the response. And for all these responses, the data will be saved over my Google Sheet, which you can see over here. So by using this API request request note, I'm saving the data over my Google Sheet. And at last, I have provided this thank you message which says thank you full name. And this message consists of this variable, that is full name. So as I have recently told you that by using contact custom fields, you can send personalized message. So here you can see that I have selected this contact custom field full name for this question where I'm asking for the name of my user. So as my user will provide me the name, contact custom field will store that data, and by using the $sign before this contact custom field, I'm sending personalized message to my customer, means the same name which my user has just provided to me, which you can see right here in this chatbot. As my user has provided me the name, I'm sending them this confirmation message in a personalized way. So this is the way you can create a salon appointment booking chatbot by just using Pabbly Chatflow. And don't forget to save this flow by simply selecting this save button. And here you can see that my flow has been updated successfully. So now you can also create this chatbot and can automate the appointment booking for your business. And now you don't have to book the appointment for your customers by manual calls or by manually sending them messages. So now you can also create this automation or this chatbot by just using one and only automation tool called as Pabbly Chatflow. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now. And I have provided the link of the flow which I have just created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video.
And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.